Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Kamda ka Mahindra Powerroll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar Jilla, Kalarai Ban Pentrikam Yaka Chief Minister, Regional Connectivity Scheme 2025, Ban Pinyaso Yakalet Kawan Jongki District Headquarter, Shaki Block Headquarter, Batki Regional Headquarter.
To encourage entrepreneurs. And one of the major priorities of the scheme is to ensure that these buses reach the district headquarters by 9:30 a.m. and depart by 5:30 p.m. to cater to the demand from office goers, students, patients visiting hospitals, and people traveling to markets. The financial support will come up to 50% of the total cost of the vehicle. There will be government contribution of 35% for on-road costs as down payment. The beneficiary will contribute 5% of the down payment, and the loan financing will come to 60%, which is repayable over 5 years for the beneficiary. We have also identified the routes which will cover the various district block headquarters, district headquarters, and regional headquarters. So this is a major initiative which we are confident will take care of the huge deficit that we have currently and to enhance regional mobility.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.